Today I'm going to talk about alveolar surface tension. So the alveoli is the sac inside of the lungs. What I drew over here, I got the water molecule. So this is two H's and an O. So H2O, that's the water molecule. And then over here, I got the hydrogen bonds, which would be these little dashed lines that you can see. And then I also have surfactant, which would be this little yellow molecule or yellow circle that you'll see later in the video. So surface tension is going to be for liquids, and for water, what's happening is the water molecules are being pulled together. They basically are creating like a skin or like a surface, a tension on the surface. So they're actually making like a layer up there. So this actually is what allows insects to walk on water. So it's just basically like if you were saran wrapping the top of a bowl. So it's allowing something to walk over the top of it. So inside of the alveoli sacs, they're actually lined with water molecules as well. It's just a thin watery layer inside of this sac. And on this water molecule, you can see the other water molecules being pulled together by this hydrogen bond. So water is a polar molecule, meaning it has a dipole. So it's got a partial charge and a partial positive charge and then a partial negative charge. So that's why this partial positive hydrogen is interacting with this partial negative oxygen. So this interaction is happening between the water molecules. So this is what is actually pulling them together, giving them surface tension. So inside of the alveoli sacs, they're lined with this water, and they're basically have a high surface tension inside of them. And because they have this high surface tension, it actually keeps the alveoli from expanding when you inspire, which is breathing in. So when you breathe in, they have to expand. And this actually will force the alveoli to collapse because they can't expand. So over here, what I drew is the same alveoli sac, and then you can see the same water molecules, but what I added is the yellow, which is surfactant. So the yellow surfactant molecule is actually blocking the interaction between the hydrogen and oxygen. So there's no hydrogen bonds between the water molecules. So this is actually decreasing the surface tension inside of the alveoli. So this allows the alveoli to expand when you're inspiring, and then this keeps the alveoli from collapsing. The surfactant is going to be produced by your type 2 alveolar cells. And then that is how surfactant plays a role in the alveoli sac.